Beginner's Guide to Silhouette Blades. Silhouette blades are categorized into 4 different groups: Tool Type A, Tool Type B, Tool Type C, and Power Tools. Tool Type A. Type A tools, also known as legacy blades, are designed for older machines. SD, Portrait 1, Portrait 2, Cameo 1, Cameo 2, Cameo 3, and Curio. Type A tools includes Auto Blade, Blade Ratchet, Premium Blade, Deep Cut Blade, Craft Blade, 2 mm, Pen Holder, Stippling and Etching Tool, Embossing Tool Fine, Embossing Tool Wide. Tool Type B. Type B tools are the most up-to-date tools designed for newer model machines. These are larger body tools with auto-detection support. For Portrait 3, Portrait 4, Cameo 4 series, Cameo 5 series, and Curio 2. Type B tools includes Auto Blade, Blade, 1 mm, Manual Blade, 2 mm, Craft Blade, 2 mm, Pen Holder. Tool Type C. Type C tools are specialty tools that perform specific cut functions. They're used in Chamber 2 of the Cameo 4 series, Cameo 5 series, and Curio 2. Type C tools include Embossing Tools New, Pen Holder New, Rotary Blade, Craft Blade, 3 mm, Punch Tool. Power Tools. Power tools are compatible with the next generation machines, Portrait 4, Cameo 5 series, and Curio 2. Power tools includes Heat Pens New, Power Engraver New, Leather Punch New. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.